Hello viewers and subscribers, I am Michael and in this video I will be addressing commonly asked questions relating to headlight restoration. So keep watching to hear more about what's coming up in this video. In this video I'll be addressing the first question, which is what is headlight restoration? Headlight restoration is the process of removing cloudiness, which is otherwise known as oxidation, from the headlights in order to restore the original shine and luster that the headlight once had. Headlights can be restored by hand, or it can be done using a machine such as an electric buffer or a drill with the associated attachments. So there you have it. That is what headlight restoration is all about. Pretty simple and straightforward. As usual, thanks for watching.